Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It's Alicia Elena, and today I am super excited because I get to show you my new present, my present to myself this Christmas. I'm so excited. I have my Red Iguana silicone practice hand. I am so happy and so excited I have this. I have tried and failed to make my own silicone hand. I've tried twice. No, no, that's a lie. I've tried 3 times. For some reason, it wasn't working. I was using alginate, and the alginate was shrinking faster than the silicone was curing, even though I was using products that I've seen on YouTube videos and it worked for those people, and the alginate was shrinking, so the silicone, the mold of my hand was deforming basically. So the silicone hand came out all deformed. The fingers were all deformed, and it was actually quite funny. I freaked out my mother-in-law when she came over because I had these random fingers and hands floppy, all deformed on the counter. That was kind of funny. But anyway, I decided I gave up. I gave up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to give myself a nice little present. So I did. So for those of you that know Luna, this is Luna. Say hi, Luna. This is that's for another video. That nail is actually on a tutorial, so you can see that later. This is Luna, and I've had Luna. She's been my ride or die for a while now. Unfortunately, I needed a little upgrade, so I upgraded, and I have right here baby Luna. So, this is actually on the website. The color that I got was, I believe the name is Liza, is the name, and it's more of a tan, and I wanted her to match me more. I am Hispanic, I'm Puerto Rican, so I wanted more of a tan. And she came out perfect and beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. I am so excited to use her. I literally just picked her up yesterday from the post office. The delivery here, their first attempt, we were still out and out of state, so they couldn't deliver her to me. Okay, I'm sorry, the background. If you hear any crying, that's baby Benny. He's crying. I have no idea why. Why am I putting her back in the bag? Oh my God. So, I wasn't able to get her right away, so I had to wait and over the weekend because post office isn't open to get her, and I finally got her today. I did get a left hand. I'm sorry. My husband gave our boys a haircut, and I've already opened her up. So there's little hairs all over her already because I was next to them. Anyway, so I did get the left hand. The left hand, I believe it does say on the website that there's slight, unless I'm thinking about somebody else. I'm not sure. I've researched so many silicone hands, and some of them are like oops hands and all that stuff. Anyway, there are some slight imperfections on the, I don't know, can you see? Right there. Does it matter? No, absolutely not. This hand is beautiful. I highly recommend it just by the feel of it. Obviously, I haven't used it yet. I just got it. It does come with some, I'm gonna put her down, some jewelry. I'm not sure if it's the same for everyone, or if it's what they have in stock, but it comes with a little bracelet and a matching ring. I actually already have a ring that I'm going to start wearing. My oldest, Benny number one, one of the things he got me at his school store for Christmas was this ring. So I thought it'd be perfect for Luna. Yes, I am naming her Luna too. I have 3 boys, and Luna has always been the name that I had chosen for a girl, and I never got to use it. So I had to name something Luna so I could use that beautiful name that I absolutely love. So I don't want to retire the name, so I'm passing it down. So basically, she's Luna Junior. Is there a thing? Juniorette? Junior? Just Luna? Whatever. So I have her ring right here too. So on the Red Iguana hands, they do have wells. So you can just stick your nail tip all the way into the inside. Where's the tip that I was using for? Where'd they go? Where'd I put them? Okay. On the website, I believe it does say the numbers of the tips to use on each finger, right? I don't remember them. So, I did try out one though. This is a size 7. And this size 7 actually fits on the pinky. And you just slide it all the way in as far as it can go. And it goes in pretty far. You see that? It goes in really far. So that's what was all the way in there. You can turn it around like some people do. So then you can have a nail bed. I guess you can't do it with this one. You could have, a little bit of length there. There are some nail tips that you can push it all the way in. But I'm so excited to use her. I wanted to step up my game. I want to be able to, perfect my cuticle area and things like that, and just take better photos and actually work on a human hand, right? So be sure to look out for Luna in future videos, and I will let you know how she does. I don't even need to let you know how she's gonna do, because if you've seen any Red Iguana videos, you'll know that they do great. But I'll let you know what I think about it. So I will be posting up some videos a video this afternoon, so keep an eye out for that. And hopefully I will be able to use Luna tomorrow. I won't have any time to today, so hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to use her, and I'll be sure to do a video on that, on my first impressions on using her for the first time. Alright, so as always, if you like what you see, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Follow me on IG on @thepolishedlily. And that's it for me, the Queen Bee. Bye.